Let's bring on board then our next set of guests, Richard Jain as well as Rahul Randeria, to really answer this query and of course given their top technical bets as well. Good morning, gentlemen, and welcome to Buy Now Sell Now Women's Day Special. And yes, you heard Faizneen. She's a beginner investor. She wants to invest in a mix of about mid and small caps, and she wants to look for any safe sectoral bets or even stocks for that matter. Richard, over to you. What would you advise her?
Yeah, hi, good morning. Well, I would advise Faizneen to choose a combination of large cap as well as mid cap stock, which is fundamentally a good stock and as well as technically a good stock. I think those such stocks over a period of time would tend to give a good return since we are in the bull market. Both the stocks that I'm going to recommend are we have a positive outlook from fundamental team as well. First would be Larsen and Toubro. We have seen this stock has been technically we have seen this stock has been consolidating since last few trading sessions, but on a broader degree charts this stock has been forming higher top higher bottom structure, which is quite positive. So we are expecting a good momentum to pick in the stock once this consolidation phase is over. So I think it provides a good opportunity to buy this stock during this consolidation phase. Keep a horizon of at least 3 to 4 months and I think good returns could be made in this large cap stock. You can buy around current levels, keeping your stop loss below 1380 and targeting around 1650 in next about 3 to 4 months. And my second pick would be LIC Housing Finance, another good stock of fundamentally and even on technical basis as well. We have seen on the weekly charts this stock has been forming this higher top higher bottom structure, which is a sign of an uptrend. Now recently last 3 months this stock has again seen a consolidation phase. So similarly this consolidation phases within an uptrend should always be used as buying opportunities. So I think it's good time to go and take position in the stock again from next 2 to 3 months of perspective. We can buy around current levels itself, keeping stop loss below 545 and expect target around 615.
Richard recommends L&T as well as LIC Housing Finance to start off with. Make sure you adhere, of course, to your stop losses. Rahul Randeria as well joins us now. And Rahul, very quickly, if you could take us through some stocks that you would recommend to all of our viewers.
Yeah, good morning, Mubina. I have two stocks for the beginners for the short-term investment perspective. Ambuja Cement, recently we have seen a stock has corrected quite decently, and currently it is taking a support and it is poised for an upside rally from the current levels. Short-term investment perspective, one can buy in the range of current market price and on dips to 220. My short-term positional target is 247 with a stop loss of 218. My second buy call is in SBI, which is a frontline stock, PSU stock. Stock has been consolidating in quite some time, and we could see some sort of a pullback coming in the stock in the coming days. So short-term investors can buy the stock in the range of 268 and on dips to 262 with a positional targets of 290 with a stop loss of 258 on the lower side.
Okay, gentlemen, thanks so much for joining in and sharing with us your ideas and helping out with those viewer queries as well. On that note, then, we wind down the Women's Day special right here on Buy Now Sell Now. Thank you so much for all the ladies who participated and who worked behind the scenes on this show as well. With that, it's a wrap on the show. Coming up next is Market Sense.